In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send images behind other elements in Canva. This is a really useful skill when you're designing things like social media posts, presentations, or posters, and you want your layout to look more professional and layered. Maybe you've added a photo, some text, and a few graphics, and now everything is sitting on top of each other in the wrong order. Instead of deleting and re-adding elements, you can simply adjust what appears in front and what goes behind. First, open your design in Canva and click on the image you want to move behind other elements. Make sure that this is the exact image you're trying to reposition, because whatever you select is what Canva will adjust in the layer order. You'll see a border appear around it when it's selected, which is a good confirmation that you're working on the right element. Next, with the image selected, right-click on it. If you're using a mouse, this is the button on the right side. If you're on a trackpad, you can usually right-click by tapping with 2 fingers, or using the secondary click option, depending on your device settings. Right-clicking will open a small menu with several options related to that image. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Layer. This is Canva's way of grouping all the controls that affect which elements are in front or behind others. Hover over or click on Layer to reveal more options. If you don't see it immediately, just take a moment to look carefully through the menu, as it might be listed alongside options like copy, paste, or delete. Once you've opened the layer options, click on Send Backward. This will move your selected image one step back in the stacking order. That means it will go behind one element that was previously behind it. You might need to click Send Backward multiple times if there are several layers and you want the image to go behind more than one element. After each click, check your design to see how it looks. You can reposition the image by clicking and dragging it, and then continue sending it backward until it sits exactly where you want it in relation to your text, shapes, or other graphics. And that's all you need to do to send images behind other elements in Canva.